Hello sweeties, welcome. If you are new, I am Sugar. I want everybody to hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. We're still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So today we're going to be doing another Sam's Beauty review. This wig is by Studio Cut. It is a deep part lace wig, meaning it has a set part, but it is deep and it is said to have a natural hairline. And I have mine in the style DPL-001. It's in a jet black. So we're going to install this today. This is going to be a super quick and easy video. So let's get started. Okay, so straight out the package, you got the 2 combs in the top, that good deep part, a back comb, and the adjustable straps. When it comes to the hairline, you don't have a lot of space, as you can see, to customize. So we're going to see how that goes. Okay, y'all, so I just went and got me a silk press. You know, No, but seriously, you guys, they actually did a great job on this wig. I'm very surprised. I don't really gravitate towards the part wigs anymore, but this one is very nice. It's soft. It's a natural density, nice part. Okay, it's not too short. And the baby hairs, I did not do them because I'm really loving this clean, sleek, layered moment. I mean, sometimes on these type of wigs, if it's not enough scalp in between the hairline and the baby hair, it's just two glob pieces of hair stuck to your forehead. This looks a lot more natural. And the baby hairs that were here, I just put a little styling foam on them. You can also do it with a wax stick, just to get them out of the way, make them more uniformed with the rest of the hair. I really like this. It's very natural, throw on and go type of wig. That would fall in that category, okay? So this is definitely one I will be throwing on when I do not have time to be laying full-blown lace and all that different stuff. I think I can even get away with applying this without gluing it down. It's to my head, but it's not tight, like headache tight. Y'all know I cannot deal with tight wigs. So this is a really good tightness. The cap is decent. It's not too small, and it has a good stretch to it. So if you have a medium, large head, you should still be okay. But yeah, that's that, girl. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe button, comment, do it all, girl. Share the video. And until next time, stay sweet.